Hi everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. So this is an attempt at a CORNROW or CORNROW as a lot of you call it, tutorial attempt because this is so hard to film and so hard to explain, but I'm going to do my best. So I'm going to show you how to do a big CORNROW like when you have your hair in two, and I'll show you a small one as well. So starting with the big one, I section off a small section at the front in like a diagonal triangle shape and then split that into three. Staying as close to the root as possible, I begin to braid, and I do braid about 3 or 4 times before I start adding in any extra hair. So this time you'll see that I'm about to scoop up some hair from the front and add it to the middle section that's between my finger and thumb. I then braid again, and then from the other side I add some more hair, scoop it up and join it into the hair that's between my finger and thumb. Again from the front, scoop hair, join it into the hair that's in the middle between my finger and thumb, and then braid again as normal. And then same from the other side, scoop up hair and join it into the hair in the middle between my finger and thumb. And I continue to do this all the way down. When I do this style, I try to keep the braid as close to the hairline as possible. I just feel like it looks better that way. So then when I take it from this side, I do have to really part the hair and scoop it into the braid just to make sure that it stays nice and tight and it's not puffy down the middle, down the parting. So basically you add hair from each side, braid, add hair from the other side, braid, add hair from the other side, and continue that all the way down to the back. You'll notice that as I get further and further back, the sections of hair that I scoop up into the braid will get bigger and bigger. This just means that the plait will gradually get bigger as it goes back, rather than it being chunky at the front of the hair. So yeah, I just continue that all the way back, each section getting bigger as I go. So yeah, I'll stop talking, I'll let you listen to music and watch the rest of the braid.
Salute bangs. Taylor about the fucking flex. Nice, nice, right.
I'ma tell you something, if I want you on my head, you saying what you wanna hear in your ear, I'll be glad to. My nigga told me pull up, so I had to. I seen she had her eyes on me, I'm just playing casual. See, I'm nice with it, baby. You gon' have to talk to me nice, baby. You got a nice body, low crazy. We could probably have a nice time, lady.
So bring it to me, nice girl. Sweet señorita with your nice curves. Love how you wind up with your nice curves. Nice how you wind up in my world.
You gotta talk to me nice, so we ain't gon' talk at all. I'm the type of young and make you fall off the way I talk. You the type that probably make me fall off the way you walk. You walk the talk and everybody just talks. You so nice, I ain't had to think twice. By that cute face, sexy model walk with a tight body. I'ma talk to you when they gon' tight body. I'm not the type, baby girl, I'm trying to tell you. Your body look nice. Your body look nice. Your body look right. Your body look
right. So bring it to me, nice girl. Sweet señorita with your nice curves. Love how you wind up with your nice curves. Nice how you wind up in my world.
I'ma tell you something, if I want you on my head, you saying what you wanna hear in your ear, I'll be glad to. My nigga told me pull up, so I had to. I seen she had her eyes on me, I'm just playing casual. See, I'm nice with it, baby. You gon' have to talk to me nice, baby. You got a nice body, low crazy. We could probably have a nice time, lady.
Nice wine in front of me. My girl, you're nice on me. Said look back, shop. My girl, you're nice up. One time in front of me. So bring it to me, nice girl. Sweet señorita with your nice curves. Love how you wind up with your nice curves. Nice how you wind up in my world.
So for a small CORNROW, which I personally found harder to learn when I didn't know how to do it, just because it's more precise and you have less space. But similar process, so start with a small section at the front and at the very root of the hair as close to the scalp as possible. I start braiding. Braid a couple of times before you start adding in any hair. That just keeps the front nice and tidy. Again, scooping tiny bits of hair and join it into the hair in the middle, that's between the finger and thumb. Then braid that section round, and from the other side, scoop hair into the section that's in the middle between your finger and thumb. When I braid, I keep each hand either side of my head. I find this easier, especially when you get to the back of your head, because you're not having to hold your head at any awkward angle. I know some people put both of their hands to the same side of their head and braid that way, but I just find once you get to a certain point, your head is twisted in an awkward direction, your neck is aching, your arms are aching. So I just find like it's easier if you do it with your hands, how you can see me holding them here. So continue back, add small sections of hair, scoop it into the section in the middle between the finger and thumb, braid it round, same on the other side, and just do that all the way back.
Nostalgia?
And I just got the remedy for the ladies then. Money long like a centipede, slow down. Girl, what you telling me? Go down. She's trying to get the best of me. True, I don't want no rules. I'm a rebel too. Keep my hands on you. Sweet boy president, you was a good girl before me, it's evident. When I told you to try, you were hesitant. You got a little taste, now you're reckless. Now it's your friends that you pencil in. Girl, don't forget that you shine like a necklace. Girl, don't forget that it's you I'm obsessing with. Doesn't ever end well when that obsession hits. But she keep me rocking like a rolling stone. Lifestyle keeps on going on and on. And some people wanna come through, got a lot to do, but we never leave the bedroom. But she keep me rocking like a rolling stone. Lifestyle keeps on going on and on.
So yeah, that is it. I hope you found this helpful. I hope I explained it clear enough for you to understand for those who cannot braid. If it was helpful, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed, leave a comment. Thanks again for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.
I'm a rebel too. Keep my hands on you. No good, I love you so, and I never ever wanna let you go. And she keep